Hello everyone, Muhammad Nasser speaking, and in this series of videos I will show you how I turned this hand sketch into this real robot. So let's do it. And in the first video we'll create the lower part, which will contain the wheels, batteries and the charging system. And before we start, let's brainstorming to get some cool ideas. So let's do it. After the brainstorming is done, let's start with the components. First of all, we need two DC motors to move the wheels of robot, motor driver to control them, and the Arduino Mini as a controller. Batteries to supply it with the needed power, and I will use wireless charging system to charge these batteries. So let's soldering these parts together in a prototype board. Let's do that. Now let's test the wireless charging system. It contains of two coils, one for transmitting connected with the electricity source, other one for receiving this power connected to power bank. So when the transmitter get closer to receiver, the power bank should be charged. Now it's time for robot body design, and we will use differential moving system. And the most challenging thing was making all components fit in the body of the robot. For example, I use a power bank as a battery, but its size was so big to fit in the body of robot. So I had to remove the case of the power bank and now all parts are ready for 3D printing. So let's print them. So let's check if the all parts are fit together. So it's assembly time. And after I assembled all the parts, I found out that the wheel drifts and it doesn't move. So I will try to add some rubber part on the outer of the wheel. I use this part of rubber, and after I glued the rubber, I found out that the wheel now is much cooler. And by the way, this is how the robot looks like from the bottom. This is the free caster wheel, and this is the wireless coil. So let's turn it on and see. 2